Just 10 days ago, we had a Nafanua who had left us to be with our Heavenly Father. She was a mother, an auntie, a sister, and a friend. Today, we honor her. She was one of our very own. She is strength, she is power, and she is beautiful. Some of our sisters wear the head garland, the haku, or the leipo'o, to honor her memory. But today, we wear white to honor her. Ladies and gentlemen, we dedicate this performance today to our beautiful and beloved Auntie Alice Pauu. Ladies and gentlemen, our theme for you, Nafanua. Salute!
Yeah!